Welcome, English Learning Tube. Hi everyone. Let's learn vocabulary about birth, marriage, and death in English. Part 1. Birth. Have a baby. She is happy because she will have a baby soon.
Born. He was born in Myanmar.
Weigh. The baby weighs 3 kilograms.
Birthday. His birthday is on June 10th.
Name after. The baby was named after his father's last name. Part 2. Marriage.
Bride. The bride looks beautiful in her wedding dress.
Bridegroom. The bridegroom kissed his bride.
Wedding. Their wedding was held in a beautiful garden.
Honeymoon. They went to Bali for their honeymoon.
Marriage. Their marriage has lasted for 20 years.
Get married. They are going to get married next year.
Separate. They are separated but not divorced.
Divorce. They divorced last year.
Single. He is 30 years old and still single.
Part 3. Death. Dead. Her grandmother is dead, which makes her very sad.
Die. Many people die from heart disease.
Death. This man's death was very sudden.
Widowed. She was widowed at a young age.
Widow. Widower. He is a widower and has a child.
Funeral. We went to a friend's funeral yesterday.
If you know any other vocabulary, please share it in the comment box. Thanks for watching English Learning Tube. Don't forget to subscribe.